Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Midwest Safety, and the title of the video is Pepper Spraying Police Doesn't End Well. So let's get into the video. Let's see what they're actually talking about here.
Hey, partner. Come on.
What?
Come on.
What?
You're under arrest.
For what?
Because you and her.
For what? For what?
Don't pull away.
Dude,
You're under
are you
arrest.
fucking kidding me? What am I under arrest for?
You just stole that shit.
I didn't steal anything. I'm leaving the buggy there.
No, you passed.
Yes, I am.
You passed.
Bro, I'm leaving the buggy there. Come on, please, sir. Please.
The officer's body cam shuts off due to the suspect's struggle. He is able to turn it back on a few seconds later. In the midst of both the suspect and the cop pepper spraying each other.
Wrong fucking person.
Come on. Please stop. Please stop.
Get a car up at Walmart. Car up at Walmart. I'm in a fight.
Free me with me. I'm done. Stop, I'm done. I swear to God, I'm done. Sir, listen to me, please. Please, sir. Sir, please, I need... Can I explain something to you, please? Sir, I had no choice. Sir, I had no choice but to do this.
Ma'am.
I was getting threatened.
Under arrest too.
Sir,
Ma'am, don't go anywhere.
sir, please, listen to me. Dude, sir, please. Sir, come on, stop.
Get on the fucking ground.
The body cam shuts off yet again while backup is on the way. One officer is entering Walmart's parking lot at this exact moment, about 15 seconds away from the scene.
Grocery. Outside grocery.
That's a good chick that ran off.
You didn't steal anything.
Are you
I got him. I have a broken hand.
Spray.
Jesus Christ.
Get on the fucking ground.
No! I'm trying! I have a broken f***ing hand!
Stay on the ground. Don't move. You understand?
Oh, God!
She's going to get some water for you. Where'd the female go?
Please, I beg you. I swear to God.
Dude, he's got felonies all day long.
Radio, I got one to change. Dude, I'm so sorry.
Church, you want an ambulance?
I don't understand the point in crying. Why are you crying for? You wasn't crying when you was actually committing a crime. Now you want to cry? It's crazy how, a little form of act right to get you together. You know what I'm saying? But no, he actually was still struggling throughout the whole thing. And that's crazy because there is much more to this video. We are literally less than 3 minutes in, and this is 12, almost 13 minutes long. So we almost got like 10 minutes left. Okay. And all of this has already happened.
Radio, start a squad.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Your night was almost over, you
Dude, I was leaving the cart there. I was leaving the cart there. I
can
swear
slow
to God. Oh my God!
Your night was over. You had to fucking do that.
Oh my God!
Now you're fucked. You're fucked.
Hey, church, we got him. We're
Oh
good.
my God!
There he is. Feet down.
Stand your ass up.
They gonna hit him with every charge they can in the book. What? 2303? So that means what? He's probably working 3 to 11. So, oh no, wait. Yeah, he's probably working 3 to 11, and then he got called to this call. So now he probably on overtime or something. He said the night was almost over. He's pissed. Yeah, he gonna get hit with every charge in the book, boy. Ain't nothing worse than you having to do something right before you get off of work, and now you gotta stay for overtime.
Oh, I have a ball in my pocket.
I'm not concerned.
I just let you know.
A bowl?
A ball.
Like a weed bowl?
Like, yes. A pipe, I know. I was being held at gunpoint, I swear to God.
Here at gunpoint?
Not here, but I was being told that if I don't go and do this and get this stuff for these people, I was gonna be getting killed, my family was gonna be getting hurt, and all types of shit, dude. I swear to God, I didn't even want to do it. That's why I was leaving the car there. I'm such a piece of shit. I'm such a piece of fucking shit. Oh my God, I'm such a piece of shit.
That you are, my friend. That you are.
Check on church.
I'm so sorry. I don't know what the fuck's wrong with me.
You okay, Church?
He fucked me up. Hit me with pepper spray. Fucking got me good, too.
Keep putting water on it, okay?
Oh my God.
I'm just gonna throw him in here real quick.
Oh my God.
What are you crying about?
I need you to fucking get clean. What needs to happen, bro?
Yeah.
I'm a piece of shit.
Yeah, you are. Church got pepper sprayed.
Oh. It's the end of the fucking night!
Hey,
Fucking end of the night. What a dick. His girl's somewhere, too.
What'd she look like?
She's all wearing black. She's got a black puffy coat.
open your eye.
Oh, fuck. I knew he was reaching in his pocket. I was gonna fucking shoot his ass. Oh, he's so fucking lucky I didn't kill him. His pepper spray's somewhere.
Dude, if she didn't get away after all this time, piss poor, man. I would have been gone. You hear me? I would have been taken off. Gone up out of there. You hear? Yo, that's crazy, bruh. Pepper spray? I mean, people should carry pepper spray, honestly, but don't pepper spray the cops, though. You know, but it's a nice form of protection, for sure. You see what it does?
Around here.
I got it.
Oh, man, that burns. Is there more? He got me good, too. Full face.
Right here? Oh, yeah, we could probably sneak out of here. Yeah.
There's another person.
Yeah. Well, all they know.
She's all the way over on the grocery side. They're in the minivan. All right, we're in an SUV.
She probably took off.
I can definitely wait. I can definitely wait.
No, we're good.
I can't see a fucking thing. He got me fucking good, man.
Hope you feel better, brother.
Are you hurting anywhere else, Church?
No, you guys
Just your eyes?
Is there any more water?
Yeah.
I gotta stop getting fucking sprayed, man. I hate it. I see him reaching in his pocket. I was fucking going for my gun. I'm like, is he fucking pulling a knife on me?
Yeah.
He's so fucking lucky I didn't kill his ass.
All right.
Oh, I'm fucked up, dude.
He
got me. He blasted me fucking good. Oh, I'm gonna fucking throw up. Here, take my gun. Go lock it in your car. I gotta go rinse my fucking face off with the slop sink.
Yeah, you want to just take your belt off?
I got it.
I got all.
You're good.
I'm gonna fucking throw up. Oh.
I'm gonna turn his body cam off. The squad's here for you, man.
Alright.
Ambulance is here.
Yeah, I told him. Do you have all the information for this? theft?
No, it just happened.
If you want to get that started, that way we can get our paperwork handled, and then the squad's here for him. And then I'll come check on you in a little bit. Is that his?
Yeah.
Do you want me to just bring the squad in here? One of our...
Yo, pepper spray ain't no joke, man. No joke, man. I feel like at least every female should have one, man. Have a can, you know, a small can. You know, protect yourself. There's a lot of guys, a lot of creeps out here, you know what I'm saying? And stuff like that shit. I brought my sister a can, shit. Somebody ran up on her. Hit you real quick, boy. You gon' get you to act right, you hear me? But, man. Yo, that dude is going to jail, bro. He is going to jail, bro. That's crazy. And then, you know, you only get hit with pepper spray one time, you know, when you're going through the academy or something like that. And this, you know, it seemed like he probably got years on the job, sergeant, you know what I mean? So he don't know what that feels like, you know, in a long time, because it's tough. It's tough. Pepper spray is no joke, you know what I'm saying? So you're not used to that, you know what I mean? Getting hit with that. And even if you deploy pepper spray yourself, all you're doing is you're getting maybe some of the little mist, you know what I'm saying? But to actually get hit with it in the face, like, that only happens in like the academy, like, ever, you know? So, woo, I know he going through it, boy.
Marshall's got pepper sprayed. He's trying to rinse off as much as possible.
That's all we're gonna do.
Yeah, we did like, I don't know, 6 water bottles, and then he's doing milk now.
Milk.
He wanted milk.
Goo goo gaga. I want milk.
He's in the slop sink right there.
You want the ambulance?
Yeah, because a lot of times people say that milk helps, but what I was taught and what helps is you know what I was taught, not a phone ringing and stuff. What I was taught is that you want to do like Dawn soap, and then afterwards, you know, rinse that out, you know, and just you got to let the air hit it. Honestly, that's what you got to do. Just let the air hit it.
Clean your head off?
Is it bleeding?
Let me see. Look at me.
I can't.
They can rinse your face and your head off.
Please.
You want that? You do? All right.
Let them get church first, and then...
I don't even know where they went. All right. Where are they at?
Right at the entrance at the slop sink.
All right. He got sprayed too, so they need to clean his head off.
Just keep your eyes open and just try and let the water
I got a bottle of saline here. You want to hold your eye open to
You
it.
guys something? You guys got something you can clear a bad guy with?
Oh, he has it too?
He got sprayed too. He's got a little... Perfect. You guys got like a spare towel or something?
That's what I'm going to grab.
Alright. This damn place. I don't need a big one, just... He's like in a sink.
Say, dude, just dump a gallon of milk on his head. Seriously, that's the only that'll help.
I just got a sheet.
Eh, that's fine. His face
It's
off.
Walmart, dude. They probably got 100 of them in there.
Hey Matthew, we're gonna clean your face off, okay? What? What'd you say? Why would I hurt you?
Sit upright. You gotta use your big boy words. I can't hear your mumbling, okay? Yes, you are. Okay, we established that. Very good.
Yeah, he sprayed him. I know. And church sprayed him too.
Put your head back. Open your eyes. We're gonna put. Yeah, we gotta rinse them out, dude. You don't want your eyes rinsed out? You have to use words and not mumble.
I can't fucking do it.
You can't open your eyes?
No, I can't.
Well, we're trying to rinse them out, man.
You just want this poured on your head?
No, sorry.
Matthew.
Have him just,
Put your head back.
have him just put his eye in it and go like that.
Come on.
Find out, man.
Stand up against her here. Put your head down.
Open your eye.
There you go. Just gotta rinse it out real good.
Don't spit on me,
I
dude.
can't. You're fucking drowning me, dude. I'm good. I'll take it down.
That's just an abrasion. You alright? I mean, other than being pepper sprayed and your head okay, you got a little scratch on it.
Yeah.
You need medical attention for that?
For what?
The bump on your head. You got like a little scratch.
No.
Okay.
You can have a seat.
Yeah, right there.
Now trust me, being pepper sprayed does hurt that bad. Hey guys, I'm John and I appreciate you for watching. Now, although police departments across the United States begin to adopt pepper spray in the late...
All right. You know, check out my boy John, man. Check out John. You know what I'm saying? Go over to Midwest Safety. Check him out. You know what I'm saying? He was a cop for like 25 plus years. You know what I'm saying? So he has his like intake and all that. But let's get to these charges though.
Suspect was charged with resisting arrest, battery on a law enforcement officer, and petty theft. He is innocent unless proven guilty.
Okay, that's what we got.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.